Welcome back to the house where I've had all these batteries set up for quite a while now, and I've been working out how to charge them. And it started back with these, putting these in parallel, a 48 volt, and charging them up with this little bugger, which actually I can probably give that a crack now. No, probably not actually. I've got to plug this in. So I've got the whole system set up here eventually. All here ready to go. Another one. That's it. No, that's the wrong one. This one. There it is. No, that's not it either. So as you can see, all over it, there it is. So it'll charge up to 3.65 volts. Only got 0.6 of an amp going in at the moment, but so they're pretty much fully charged. But you do that to top balance them so they're all the same voltage. And this little 12 pack that I got there, which is cool, that's a separate unit and spare batteries at the same time. So what do we got? So we got the motor controller here. That's all tickety boo. That's going. We've got BMS for the batteries, and the charge controller, only one of them's going because I don't have enough solar out at the moment, but the usual mess, all sorts of rubbish everywhere, electrician's nightmare. Breakers for the panels, there's the BMS there with all its individual cables going to every cell, and that will tell me down here every cell's voltage. And at the moment it says 100%, so I've been trying to drain the battery, so I've set the motor up. That's over here in a drum with some water. It's made a bit of a mess. I had to do a few improvements on the water containment method, but I'm just trying to put some load. I don't have anything else that's 48 volts, so I need to put some load on this thing to see what it's going to do. But this is working, so I can get ready for the noise. Bubbling away. We'll be drawing 3 amps at the moment. When this voltage drops below the preset voltage, it'll start charging again. At the moment we're floating. We've done absorption, we're going to float, but this is the Bluetooth controller. How good's that? Take it anywhere. I'm taking it up on the bow when I'm anchoring, or you do it steer from inside if it's raining. You can steer with 2 motors, it's pretty good. Anyway, it's about 200 watts we're drawing now. I think we've gone 400 meters so far. Wow, that's not bad. Anyway, that's where we're at the moment. I just thought I'd give you an update. I've got all sorts of other things. That's got to get mounted inside. That's a charger inverter. And I'll just show you the panels. I've just chucked them out. But they're different panels, which is no good. You got to use all the same sort of rated panels. But I just threw these out to see what they're putting out. These soft ones here, they'll go on the trampoline. That one goes on the Dodger on the back. But yeah, not sure about it. So this is the other controller. They charge up. The little solar power on the back here. I should probably take that off, eh? Yeah, so they charge up. You can charge them from the motor as well if you haven't got any sun, but yeah. Anyway. 3.2 amps. I've had it running for about 10 minutes, but I'm going to leave it running. Leave it running for hours and just keep testing this out. I don't know, 200 watts. I don't know what it draws all up. I can't put it on max. I tried that and flooded the joint, so at least I can work out a way of covering that up better. it's going to be like that. So we have to run it in water because it doesn't have any cooling system. The motor has to be underwater to cool. Like it doesn't have an impeller or anything. The motor's down there and it has to be in the water to keep it cool. I think it doesn't get very hot when it's out of the water anyway, because it's not really working very hard. So anyway, there it is. There's the system at the moment. 48 volt bank, the BMS, JK BMS with all its settings. I've set all them. Lots of videos about that on YouTube. This controller doing the right thing, that's set to lithium iron phosphate. And this thing, very clever little machine at BMS. We'll see. We'll see when it starts to cut back in, see if I get the voltage down. But anyway, there it is. The system so far. I will update you when I start draining some power out of the bloody thing. It's taking a while. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.